Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market so you can see what's going on here. So despite that market is going around the 30% level that we have specified yesterday, it's just not occasionally we said that overall background stands supportive for possible for a pullback that we see currently. And from that standpoint, we have to wait for clear reversal patterns before taking any short position in the gold market. That's just actually safer and could save lots of money for you. If you're patient, it's always rewarded. And currently, for example, although we haven't got the patterns that we discussed yesterday, so market hasn't formed any neither triple to sell nor head and shoulders. Currently, the situation is becoming more evident, and we could consider different patterns that we'll show you in this video. So for now, as you can see, market is stands slightly above the 30% level. Our BOT today stands around 1870, and overall background still remains positive, because if we'll take a look at the 10-year yield once again, you could see what's going on. So treasury yields now stands in a retracement. As I explained yesterday, since we have here a type kind of the double repo sell, it is normal pullback. If even it will drop somewhere back to the 4.4 area and down to the oversold, it will not be some really big problem. We should understand that from the technical point of view, this is fair action, and from the fundamental background, it's also understandable why we see this performance. But the problem is that this short-term reaction on events in the Middle East actually doesn't change the valuation of the United States debt and its attractiveness. So fundamental weakness remains the same. And from that standpoint, we could make the conclusion that this performance obviously is temporal. And once this first shock will be over around the situation around in Israel, and so it might be reversed really fast, especially as we will come closer to the next Fed meeting. And this amount of debt that now currently is appearing on the market is just unbelievable, guys. So in recent week it has increased for another 500 billions. So it's just unprecedented levels of the bonds issues, the debt issue, and so definitely will have the consequences. So, but in the current environment with this performance, that is supportive for the gold, and it supports the possible upward continuation. And that explains why we have to keep an eye on the intraday charts and take the position only when we will see the first signs of the reversal. This market is ready for a drop. On the 4 time frame chart, I do not see something really new. You can see that 1878 is the next 50% resistance of this thrust, and accompanied with the oversold approximately. At the same time, on the hourly chart, we could get another patterns. Take a look here, we could get the butterfly with the potential target is around 1872. Since we have here acceleration, more probable that market will try to reach the 1873 even. This next extension, 161 extension, and that's particularly the pattern that we could keep an eye on, because we haven't got these head and shoulders that we talked yesterday. We haven't got any triple to sell yesterday on this inside of this downside swing, so market just start forming something different. But currently we have the butterfly, and potentially, as it very often happens, that the butterfly could turn to the hand and shoulders. Once we will get this kind of the hand and shoulders, well, nearly around 1865 may be a great opportunity for position taking. If we will get something really interesting right at the top, maybe it makes sense to consider even dealing with the butterfly directly. So at least you can see that despite that we were waiting and we were patient, the overall picture hasn't become worse. It has become better, and now we see more reliable patterns that might be formed in the nearest time. So the patience is always rewarded, and I think that we just do not need to hurry up with the position taking. Just comfortably keep an eye on what's going on, and once we will get clear patterns, well, we will use it. It's a very similar situation to what we have discussed today in Great British Pound, and actually in Euro currency stands the same. So that's our 2 cents on the gold market. Let's keep watching how it will go.